Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: mobile data enabled and tethering permitted by your carrier. Once done, open Settings, then Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Android menus differ by OEM, so scan for similar labels. Tap Wi-Fi Hotspot to view the main controls. This immediately starts the service if you toggle it on. You do this first because starting the hotspot activates the radio and shows the SSID and password that other devices will use to connect. Once the hotspot is active, configure security options to protect your data and bandwidth. You should rename the SSID to something clear but not personal, then set security to WPA2 or WPA3. This prevents open access. Make a strong password, mixing letters and numbers because weak keys invite strangers. Also, make sure to choose the appropriate band, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and set a sensible client limit to avoid saturating your mobile connection. Now connect a laptop or phone by selecting the hotspot SSID and entering the password. You should see internet access within seconds. If it fails, try quick fixes. Toggle the hotspot off and back on, reboot the tablet, and confirm your mobile data is active. Carriers sometimes block tethering. If clients see the SSID but cannot authenticate, recheck the password, switch the AP band, or increase the DHCP pool. Remember to turn the hotspot off when finished to save battery and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.